In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Dark Theme in Outlook. If you prefer a darker interface that feels easier on the eyes, especially in low-light environments, this is a quick setting you can change directly inside Outlook. The process is very simple, and once you know where to look, it only takes a moment. To get started, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure the program is fully loaded so you can see the main Outlook window clearly. This setting is found inside the Account and App Customization area, so you'll want to begin from the standard Outlook home screen. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top left area of the window and click on File. This will open the Outlook Backstage menu, where you can access account settings, app information, and appearance options. If you don't usually use this section, don't worry. It's a normal part of Outlook, and it's where many personalization settings are stored. After clicking File, find and select Office Account. In some versions of Outlook, this may appear near the bottom of the left side menu. When you open this section, you'll see information related to your Office apps, along with some visual customization settings. Now, look for the option labeled Office Theme. This is the setting that controls the overall appearance of Outlook and, in many cases, other Microsoft Office applications on your device as well. Click on the Theme menu, and from the available options, select Dark. As soon as you choose Dark, the Outlook interface should update automatically. You'll notice that the brighter background changes to a darker one, which can make the app feel more comfortable to use for longer periods. This is especially helpful if you work at night or simply prefer a cleaner, darker layout. If the change doesn't appear right away, give Outlook a moment to refresh. In some cases, closing and reopening the app can help apply the new theme fully. Also keep in mind that the exact wording or placement of the Office theme setting can vary slightly depending on your Outlook version, but the overall process is the same. And that's it. You just need to open Outlook, click File, go to Office Account, and choose Dark under Office Theme. It's a quick customization, but it can make a big difference in how Outlook looks and feels during everyday use.